channel, everybody, coming to you with Keeta the Cheetah. Wanted to come to you with Keeta the Cheetah. As you can see right here, let's get over here and see where we at on the price. We have pushed up today. It's been right at 3 hours, 2 hours and 58 minutes on the new day. We up 2.45%. 0.1754 is the price. We're going to take this off. We're looking over here. Want to come to you. You got the time and you like Keeta, you hold Cheetah, or Keeta, KTA, Keeta the Cheetah. Bringing you a very important update on this. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you want to stay updated with Keeta. Just let us know in the comments and we will keep updating you on Keeta. And I want to tell you, if you're holding Keeta right now, you need to see this. Very important. Because what just happened on the chart, it's not bullish. Look at that red candle there. We just got a major breakdown. And most people are about to get trapped. But here's the twist I want to bring to you. There might be a bounce first before the next leg down. Let me show you how exactly. Let me tell you exactly what's going on. So let's zoom in on we on the 4-hour chart. What you will notice right away is this. Keeta has been in a clear downtrend for weeks. And let me pull this up and we'll show you this. As you can see, we were all the way up at a price of 64 cents. And ever since then, we've been falling and falling and falling. We've been making lower highs, lower lows, respecting this descending trend line. And every time price tried to rally, it got rejected. And you can see that on the charts here. Every time it tried to rally, it got rejected. Every time. And now we just had a clean break below support. And this bottom trend line was our support right here. Not only that, we sliced through. We can slice through the key horizontal levels, the Fibonacci zone, the zones. You know, right here was the one. This is the bottom of the Fibonacci. We come right down through it. And previous demand zones, we broke through that. And you know that big red candle you're seeing, that's capitulation. That's people panic selling and smart money stepping aside. And here's where most traders mess up. They see a big drop like this and they think, all right, time to buy the dip. But the problem is there is no confirmed bottom yet. We don't have a bottom yet. We've steady been, and this is capitulation. This is a hard drop right here, what we're seeing. When structural breaks like this, the market usually doesn't just reverse immediately. It does this. It bounces, then continues dropping. It just bounces, as you can see. We came down, we went back up a little bit, we back down a little bit. And it's done this every time. We come down, we bounce back up, and we just bouncing and continuing on down. And I'm gonna bring you the key levels to watch on Keeta. And let's talk about these levels. This is where the money's made. We got resistance zones. If we get a bounce, watch the 19 cent to 20.5 cent. This is where price is likely to get rejected. And you ask why? Because previous support turns into resistance. Market loves to retest, these breakdown zones. And the downside targets, if price continues lower, the first target we're going to be looking at is 0.169. And we already tapped that, as you can see. After that, we got 0.155. And then possibly 0.14. These are the real zones where buyers might step in. And if we come down there to the 14-cent level, I might start accumulating a little bit more of Keeta. And now let me explain the trap. This is where people get trapped. Most people will see a bounce and think, all right, we're going back up. And you're not going back up. In reality, that bounce is likely just, liquidity, just a relief rally, just setting up the next drop. And that's basically what we've been doing for a while now on Keeta. This is how the market shakes people out. Smart money doesn't chase green candles at the breakdown. You don't never do that. Confirm that we're in the bottom. Once we hit the bottom, we'll sit there for a good minute. And just wait. Just wait. Let the market come to you. So I'm going to lay the bottom line out to you. Keeta is bearish right now. Do not FOMO in on any type of bounce right now. We're more likely going to see a bounce, get back above the support level, and then later on we could just, work our way up, try to get back up to these top of the trend line, but we're going to bounce, we're going to fall again. But, we got key levels I brought to your attention that we need to reclaim and hold. But right now, the trend on Keeta is still down, y'all. The trend is still down. And the next leg lower could come fast. And then I'm just being honest with you. With Bitcoin pulling back today like it has, it's just so much going on in the market. Not just the market, but outside the United States with all that's going on. Price of fuel is going to raise everything else up that we buy in the store. So be careful chasing these bounces, because this is just going to be a dead cat bounce on Keeta, because I never thought it would fall like this, but it has. And I like Keeta. It's fast. It's really quick. A lot cheaper compared to XRP. But been battle tested. It has not been battle tested like XRP. I'm just going to bring that to the front up. But it is way more faster in XRP, and it is a lot cheaper. So if you got value from this breakdown on Keeta, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and stay locked in. Because I'm just calling these moves before they happen and trying to let you know. Be careful on this. We could see a lot more downside on Keeta, and that's what I want to bring to your attention. Be careful in this market. Be very careful where we at right now. Look, we went up to the support level at that green line at 0.1763, and look, we got rejected. Yeah. So be careful. Be careful. We're coming on down. Look at the volume on this. Just look at the volume on this right here, on this drop. That's not good. That's a big sell-off. So if you like the content, again, subscribe. Until the next time, God bless you.